Welcome to Planter Garden TV. Today is about the okras. I'm showing you guys when you take care of okra, how they could produce for you. And every 3 days you could harvest. Every 2 to 3 days you could definitely harvest from these okra. This okra tree is definitely taller than me, and right now there's a lot here that's ready to be harvested. You see what's going on? Yeah. A lot of okra I have to harvest here right now. So once you take care of the okra, trust me, they will produce. And the thing about it with okra, once you get them going, you ain't gotta be, they don't ask for a lot of care. Once you harvest them, once you take care of them from small, when they get older, you don't need much care from them. All you have to do is take good care of them from young, and they basically will take care of their own self. All you do, you just make sure you clean the weed from around their root and they'll be fine. So you take very good care of them from young and you really don't have much to do. I have videos that shows you when I plant these okra. I have videos how to know when you could harvest an okra or when it's too old. So you could check my channel, and there's a lot to learn from my channel. So these are small okra, but they already start to bear. You know, they bear from small, they grow and continue bearing. These things gonna bear, go right up to November, you know, all around them time. All right? So thank you for watching. Please like,